Greetings friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will give you a very good news. On my SAP Edu-Academy channel, I will provide you with technology videos related to SAP technologies, and programming language and SAP ERP module training is available. Please reach out for more information. Additionally, please share your thoughts regarding the questions presented. Through our SAP Edu-Academy webpage, I present to you the SAP IDES product. What we have here are all the SAP modules we offer, totaling MMSDFI, accounting, finance, production, the use of modules such as warehouse management, and in addition, you will have the opportunity to develop in programming languages, but in programming languages to make it happen. So how can you ensure this? This is made possible by SAP, expertly offered and installed by our team of specialists. Product. It is used in client-server architecture and needs to be installed in a server. And the file size is in the 500 gigabyte range, and the installation, as I mentioned, takes a long time by experts. After the work has been finished, the entire process takes around 4 to 5 days. From here, we come to our services. SAP IDES was established from our services section, virtual operating system package. And then I click on the ad that comes up. As you can see here, the SAP IDES product for a direct fee via the link at the bottom or as an installation on the extern. By choosing, you have the option to purchase your package. Many questions about this topic for comments and emails. We conducted a research on the matter, and to support you and to ensure your development, we are continuing to work on this. You can click the buy button here and then to read and approve and take care of on the page from the break. After writing your absolute email, phone number, and address, all information about the purchase will be sent to your email address, and then complete the steps in the information sent to your email address. To improve your progress, feel free to ask any queries that might arise during the process. You can also send an email to info@sapeduacademy.com for all your questions. You can forward it to us. As I mentioned, the purpose of this product is actually to have your own SAP module. Make your improvements in the programming language. And as a result, it is aimed for you to develop projects within the SAP ecosystem and work in corporate companies. Is there anything specific about SAP IDES that you would like to know or ask? In the comments section below this video, please leave your thoughts and opinions. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, comments on our videos, and don't forget to leave your likes, because with your support, this channel is growing and progressing. At this point, I will have new videos and new surprises in the near future. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Regards. Good day.